Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we're embarking on a fascinating journey to the heart of Europe to explore Germany. What comes to mind when you think of Germany? Maybe it's the fairy tale castles, the world-famous beer, or the precision engineering. But beyond the stereotypes, there's a rich and complex culture shaped by centuries of history, philosophy, and art. So, grab a pretzel, get comfortable, and let's dive into the German way of life. First, let's talk about the German people. While there's a grain of truth in their directness, it's not about being rude. In German culture, honesty and clarity are highly valued. Beating around the bush is seen as inefficient and sometimes even insincere. So if a German colleague tells you your idea needs more work, they're not trying to offend you. They're offering a straightforward assessment to help you improve. This directness extends to personal relationships too. Once you get past that initial reserve, you'll find Germans to be incredibly loyal, warm, and reliable friends. Building that trust just takes a little more time. A cornerstone of German life is the concept of Ordnung, which translates to order. This isn't just about keeping things neat and tidy, although that's part of it. It's a deep-seated cultural value that emphasizes structure, rules, and planning. You'll see it everywhere, from the meticulously separated recycling bins to the way appointments are scheduled weeks, or even months, in advance. Punctuality is a massive part of this. Being on time is a sign of respect. If you're meeting a German friend or have a business appointment, aim to be exactly on time, or even a few minutes early. Being late without a very good reason is a serious faux pas. This love for order creates a society that is predictable, efficient, and runs like a well-oiled machine. It's why the public transport is so reliable, and why things generally work as they should. Now, let's talk about the famous German work ethic. The stereotype of the hard-working German is well known, and for good reason. Germans take pride in their work and strive for quality and excellence. However, it's not about working endless hours. In fact, Germany has some of the shortest working hours in Europe. The key is efficiency and a clear separation between work and private life. When Germans are at work, they are focused and productive. This concept is called Feierabend, which literally means celebration evening. It's the sacred time after work for family, hobbies, and relaxation. Contacting a colleague about work matters after hours is generally a no-go. This work-life balance is deeply respected and protected by law. So what do Germans do in their free time? With stunning forests, mountains, and lakes, it's no surprise that hiking or wandern is a national pastime. On any given weekend, you'll see families and friends of all ages out on the trails, enjoying nature. Germans are also big on clubs, or Vereine. There's a club for almost everything you can imagine. Sports, music, gardening, animal breeding, you name it. Joining a Verein is a fantastic way to meet people who share your interests and integrate into the local community. It's a huge part of the social fabric in Germany, especially in smaller towns and villages. Of course, we can't talk about German culture without mentioning the food and drink. While it often gets a bad rap for being heavy, German cuisine is diverse and delicious. Each region has its own specialties. There are hundreds of varieties of Brot, and bakeries are an essential part of every neighborhood. And then there's the beer. Germany's beer culture is legendary, governed by the Reinheitsgebot, the purity law of 1516, which dictates that beer can only be made from water, barley, and hops. Beer gardens in the summer are social hubs, where people from all walks of life come together to enjoy a cold brew under the chestnut trees. But life in Germany isn't all work and rules. It's a country that deeply values its cultural heritage. Germany is known as Das Land der Dichter und Denker, the land of poets and thinkers. From Goethe and Schiller to Kant and Hegel, German philosophers and writers have profoundly shaped Western thought. This appreciation for high culture is still alive today. Cities are filled with world-class museums, opera houses, and theaters. The government heavily subsidizes the arts, making them accessible to everyone. Music is also a huge part of the culture, from the classical legacies of Bach and Beethoven to the pioneering electronic music scene in Berlin. Regional identity is another key aspect of Germany. Germany as a unified country is relatively young, formed in 1871. Before that, it was a patchwork of kingdoms, duchies, and free cities. This history has left a lasting legacy of strong regional identities, dialects, and traditions. And a person from the Rhineland will have different customs than someone from Saxony. This diversity is celebrated through countless local festivals, the most famous being Oktoberfest in Munich. These festivals are a vibrant display of local pride, with traditional costumes, music, and food. Exploring these different regions is like visiting several small countries all in one. Let's touch on social etiquette. When you enter a small shop or a doctor's waiting room, it's polite to say a general Guten Tag to everyone present. When you have guests over, it's customary to offer them something to drink right away. Germans also value their privacy. Small talk with complete strangers is not as common as in some other cultures, and personal questions about salary or politics are generally avoided unless you know someone well. And a little tip, always make eye contact when you clink glasses and say Prost. Or Zum Wohl, not doing so is considered bad luck. Finally, modern Germany is a very forward-thinking and environmentally conscious country. The Energiewende, or energy transition, is a national project to shift towards renewable energy sources like wind and solar. Recycling, as we mentioned, is taken very seriously. Germans are also very open-minded. It's a diverse and multicultural society that has learned from its complex and difficult history. There's a strong commitment to democracy, human rights, and social welfare. The social safety net is robust, providing healthcare, education, and support for those in need. So to sum it up, the German way of life is a fascinating blend of order and leisure, tradition and modernity. It might take some time to get used to the directness and the rules, but underneath you'll find a warm, welcoming, and incredibly rich society. Germany is a country that's so much more than its stereotypes, offering a high quality of life and endless opportunities for exploration. Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear your stories. Thanks so much for watching, and if you enjoyed this deep dive into Germany, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next adventure. See you in the next video.